All right. Jesse, now I don't need to see the front of your head. When I'm sitting up there, you show me the curls. When I'm sitting back here, you show me your face, which, see, that doesn't work right. All right. Now, the rules for multiplying and dividing integers are exactly the same for those two things. All right? Now, the problem is they're a little different than the rules for adding and subtracting integers. Okay? Let me give you what the rules are. Rule number 1. When multiplying or dividing integers by two negatives, the answer is always positive. Okay? For example, -4 times -7. -4 times -7 is equal to positive 28. Jesse, why don't you have a writing utensil and why aren't you writing? Daydreaming about stuffed crust pizza there? Okay. Now, if we're dividing, for example, -36 divided by -4, that is equal to positive 29. Positive 9. Yeah, I was looking at the 28 and said 29 instead of 9. Let's let the person who's actually graduated college and not the 6th grade talk. Okay? Now, second rule. When you multiply/divide integers by one negative, the answer is always negative. Okay, so we'll take those same two examples that we used up there. -4 times +7 equals -28. Do what? 4 times -7 is also -28. So it does not matter if one number's larger and it has the negative. None of that stuff matters. If it's got one negative sign and you're multiplying, the answer will always be negative. If it has one negative sign and you're dividing, the answer will be negative, no matter how big or how small the number is. Okay, so basically, one negative sign, the answer is negative. Okay, two negative signs, the answer is positive. Now, obviously, if you're multiplying 4 times 7, it's 28. Okay, if you're dividing 36 by 9, it's 4. Those rules have never changed. They won't change. You've been using them since you started multiplying and dividing. Okay, so if there's 2 negative signs, if there's 2 positive signs, the answer is going to be positive. If there's 1 negative sign, doesn't matter how many positive signs you have. If there's 1 negative sign, the answer is negative. Okay, every time. All right, now, let's look at some examples out of the book. All right, like I said, it's not going to be real hard as far as the multiplication part. It's just a matter of do you know the rule. So negative 13 times negative 3. Tristan, what would that be? Huh? Okay. 39. Okay, so what is negative 4 times positive 12? Drew? Negative 48. Okay, what would positive 20 divided by negative 2? Let me change that positive sign to a little bit smaller. Positive 20 divided by negative 2. Joshua? What? Yeah, you're right. First time. Yeah, negative 10. Okay, how about positive 25 divided by negative 5? No, what? Negative 5. Okay, how about negative 30 divided by negative 10? Owen? Positive 3. Jesse, what would negative 5 times negative 19 be? Yes, positive 95. Okay. So, like I said, not real hard, pretty simplistic. Okay. So, short lesson today. I'm going to turn you loose on your homework. 11.7, there's 2 sections of it, but you've got, majority of the class left to get it done. 11.7, 9 through 26, and 11.8, through 32. Now, you must write the original problem. Okay. Also, we will treat these as 2 separate assignments. Okay, so to go ahead and do them on 2 separate sheets of paper. Okay. Huh? Yeah. We don't ever have homework on Wednesday. But the bottom line is, I know what y'all are going to do. Y'all are going to finish this real quick, and then you're going to start talking, so I'll be forced to grade it before the end of class, probably. All right, get to work.